Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question with us from the topic of percents. Before solving this question, I would like to remind you that the importance of the playlists we have in our channel. In the playlists, we just separate the questions by their topics, so that if you would like to, just excel, let's say, in the topic of functions, you can go ahead and watch the videos in the functions playlists. There will be a lot of digital SAT similar math questions from the topic of functions. This video will be in the playlist of percents, so you can just, if you want to practice more about percentages, and you can just watch these videos in this playlist. That being said, let's solve this question. So there are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers is Q is 40% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 400, what is the value of Q? A is given as 150, B is 200, C is 250, and D is 300. So the first one is Q. Other two variables, let's call it X and Y. When you add them, you're supposed to get 400. And the other important part of the problem is here, where it says Q is 40% less than the sum of the other two. So what does 40% less than means? 100% means is one whole in decimal, and we're just gonna take away 0.4, because 40% makes 0.4 in decimals, and when you take away 0.4 from one whole, you would have 0.6. So this tells us that Q is equal to 0.6 times X plus Y, the sum of the other two numbers. I'm gonna continue with a different color to solve this question. So we will distribute this 0.6 into parentheses. So Q will be equal to 0.6x plus 0.6y. So we just found the value of Q in terms of x and y. Let's go ahead and substitute these values in the first equation. 0.6x plus 0.6y plus x plus y is equals to 400. So 1.6x plus 1.6y is equals to 400. So we will take a parenthesis of 1.6 x plus y is equals to 400, and we will divide both sides by 1.6. So in digital SAT, you're allowed to use your calculator. If you will use your calculator, so you will find the value of x plus y. 400 divided by 1.6 is 250. So originally we had it, remember, Q plus x plus y is equals to 400. And we also found x plus y equals 250. To find the value of Q, we'll just take away these from each other. So Q will be equals to, when you take away from 400, 250, you will get 150. So the correct answer for the specific question is the choice A will be the answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.